Hi guys.
Welcome back to another video of It's Navi, and today we're going to be going through another Thinking Schools question, so let's go. Miss Walker would like to investigate whether drinking milk with lunch makes any difference to her students' results in a times table test. She decides to do an experiment. She splits her class into two groups, according to their birthday. For 1 whole month, students who were born between January and June are given milk with their lunch, and students who were born between July and December were given juice. After 1 month, she gave the whole class a times table test. On average, the students who drank milk with lunch scored 5 marks better than the students who drank juice. Miss Walker says, so it's correct then. Drinking milk with lunch improves children's ability to remember the times tables. Which of the following sentences shows the mistake that Miss Walker has made? Now, before we even go to the answer options, we already know that just because the group that drank milk with lunch scored 5 marks more, it doesn't mean that they were necessarily better. This is because they could have had really good marks before they drank the milk, and then that group would have been on average smarter even if they didn't drink the milk. Okay, let's see which answer option matches what we say. A. Some of the students might drink a lot of milk or juice at home. It doesn't really matter how much milk or juice they drink at home because it's only before the times table test, so it doesn't really affect the results. So we can cross that out, and it's not what we discussed. B. The students who drank milk may have been better at times tables before the experiment started. That is correct. C. But just before, we should check all the answer options before going on to the next one. So, C. The students who drank juice might do better in other kinds. That's so irrelevant. Don't choose an irrelevant option. It's just a trap. It doesn't show the flaw that she's made. So, that's not correct. D. More of the students may have been born between January and June than between July and December. It says that it's the average, so that is also wrong. So it's B. Thank you guys for listening, and good luck for your selective test. Make sure to comment yes for some cool